I am Professor Prem, your life coach at the right time when you need me most. Valentine Day has been gone. Are you still facing problem in your love life as you missed my previous videos? No worries. Don't sleep facing the door as it creates problems in your relationship area. No treadmill in your bedroom as it is the reason for your unstable love life. Those who are single and looking for love must hang a beautiful painting in your bedroom which represents opposite gender. Make sure your bedroom is decluttered to make your love life more romantic. Try then to enjoy endless romance in 2016. But don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more romantic life-changing notes. I will be back soon with more tips for your ultimate magical romantic life. Till then, have a wonderful time with peace within.